Welcome to in front of me TCL 30 is and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and after that here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. Keyboard, and now we should get this application. I don't know why we just can't find it into the search, but that's okay. So now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open, tap enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, then just click here to OK, again OK. Now just go back and here tap to the switch input method and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. And now as can you see, the process is finished, so we should go somewhere when we can see the look of our new device keyboard. And now where is our keyboard here? Oh, okay. And as can you see, this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one and all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.